Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Fazrin bin Ismail, matric number 10 DTP 20F1015 from DTP 4A. The title that we have received for this presentation is Chemical and Electrochemical Process. Okay, now I will begin with the introduction of chemical and electrochemical process. Chemical process. A chemical process is a method or means of somehow changing one or more chemicals or chemical compounds. Such a chemical process can occur by itself or be caused by an outside force and involve a chemical reaction of some sort. Chemical process is a method intended to be used in manufacturing or on an industrial scale to change the composition of chemicals or materials. Electrochemical process. A method of removing metal by an electrochemical process used for mass production and is used for working extremely hard materials or materials that are difficult to machine using conventional methods. Its use is limited to electrically conductive materials. Example, ECM can cut small or odd-shaped angles, intricate contours or cavities in hard and exotic metals such as titanium. Okay, now we move to the principle of operation for chemical and electrochemical process. Chemical process. The chemical machining working principle is chemical etching. The part of the workpiece whose material is to be removed is exposed to a chemical known as enchant. The enchantment removes the metal from the chemical attack. The method of making contact of material by enchant is masking. Electrochemical process. The electrochemical machining process is based on Faraday's law of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electrolysis states that when two electrodes, anode positive and cathode negative, are placed in an electrolyte, the mass of the metal deposit on the cathode coming from the anode is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across the electrodes.
Saya akan sambung bahagian machine part and component. Untuk bahagian chemical process mempunyai electrolyte, pump, filter, pressure guide, flow meter, constant feed, workpiece iaitu anode dengan insulated base, dan akhir sekali DC power supply. Application of the machining process. Chemical machining. First point, CHM have been applied in a number of use where the depth of metal remove the crucial of the few micron and the tolerance are close. Second point, the surface finish obtained in the process is in the range of 0.5 to 2 micron. And number 3, beside it remove metal from portion of the entire surface of former of irregularly shaped part such as casting, extrusion, or former work stock. Last, one of the major application of chemical machining is the manufacture of burnt fuel. Advantage and disadvantage. Electrochemical process. First point, complex concave urethane component can be product easy by using concave tool. Second, 2 wear is zero. Same tool can be used for producing infinite number of components. Number 3, high surface quality may be achieved. Number 4, no direct contact between tool and work material, so there are not force and residual stress. Number 4, however, the slain electrolyte pose the risk of corrosion to tool, workpiece and equipment.